So in this video, let's learn how to install our own website. This website on an Ubuntu EC2 Linux server. Okay, so by default, when you install Apache web server on an operating system, you get this page as a test page. Okay, so it's upon you basically to modify the page or upload your website files. Okay, so basically let's just do that right away. I'm just going to launch an Ubuntu instance. Okay, then I give the name GuruTech web. Okay, then MI operating system, choose Ubuntu. Okay, then free tier, that's okay. Leave by default. Leave by default. Choose the key pair that we generated. If you didn't generate, click create new key pair. Okay, then importantly, go to the network settings. In this scenario, I'm going to use default VPC, but I have two other VPCs. But for the interest of this demo, let me just use default VPC. And I'm going to choose any subnet, even the first one. Okay, then ensure you enable public IP. Then security group is very, very important. It's very, very important. I can go with default security group. So in the default security group, I'll show you something. Let me just launch the instance. In the default security group, let me click on the instance, then show you the default security group. I have allowed access for everyone on every port. Okay, so ensure your security group grants access. It's very, very important. Security group is very important in every environment. So you can see my inbound role allows all traffic for everyone. Okay, perfect. So basically, let's connect to that instance and install Apache. Okay, GuruTech web. So let's connect here. Okay, we're just going to use EC2 instance connect. So after connecting to this instance, we're going to install Apache. After installing Apache, we're going to transfer files from our local computer here to that Ubuntu server. Okay, perfect. So sudo apt install Apache2. All right. Perfect. So if you can just take this public IP and paste it on my browser, you will see we're getting Apache test page. It works. This is a default page. So, and all the files, you can see the directory is here. Okay, so if you want to upload your files, ensure this is your directory. Okay, so copy that. Perfect. Then you go into that instance and just say cd into that instance, to that directory. Okay, oops. Okay, so pretty much simple. So yeah, so list, you can see the index.html is there. So basically, guys, let's get our website, which is GuruTech.com, into the Ubuntu server here. How are we going to do that? First of all, I'm going to locate it where it is. Okay, so this is what I want to upload to the EC2 instance. This is what contains all my files. Okay, all right, so how are we going to upload it? There is a command. Okay, so we're just going to modify my username, which is always admin. Okay, and the key is indeed under downloads. Here it is. Okay, and then the files that I want to copy. So the file that I want to copy actually is here. Where it is, it's actually somewhere here. Yep. So the file that I want to copy, it's here. So what I want to do, okay, then make it asset project.zip. Yes. So this is what I want to copy. That's what I want to copy to Amazon EC2 instance. So I want to replace that one there. Okay. And then now we are going to the server. Which destination? We want to copy that file into we go to our server and just say pwd, and we copy this. Okay, we copy that. Okay, and ensure you had a slash there. Perfect. So this command is complete. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open our PowerShell and run as admin. Okay. So you just need to confirm if everything is correct. This is the directory of my key. Okay. So remember, for me to connect to this instance, I have to use the key. Okay. Then which file do I want to copy? I want to copy this file, and that's the directory of my file as well. Then I want to copy it to my Ubuntu server that is actually located at Amazon, and I want to copy to this directory. So what I'm going to do is just run it. Run. Okay. Right. Yes. 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 All right. So I believe I failed to upload. Permission denied for this file. So we're getting the permission denied issue, and you can see destination open. So that this actually at the server level. So basically what we need to do, okay, so I've consulted ChatGPT, and this is what we need to do. We need to go to Ubuntu and paste this command, okay, change ownership, okay, right. So let me just go to Ubuntu and paste that and see whether it will resolve the issue. Perfect. Now let's run the command again. Perfect. Now you can see it's uploading without any issue. Perfect. As you can see, the file has been uploaded to our Ubuntu server here. So let me just say ls, and we see the folder here. Perfect. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, I want to remove this file and unzip this. Okay? Because you remember clearly this zipped file as well as index.html. So to prevent inconsistency, sudo rm index.html sudo remove, okay, and hit enter. Perfect. ls. So we only have the zip file. So now let's extract it. Okay, so first, there's application, we need to actually download the unzipped service first, okay, and as well update it. Then we can use it to unzip the file. So you can just use this command, sudo apt update space operation and two of them, then sudo apt install unzipped -y. Perfect. So just go and unzip. Okay, so what's the file? What's the file name? The file name is assets project, and hit enter. Perfect. That has been unzipped. So if I can just say ls, you can see all the files are here, and we are indeed having, where is index.html is here. So if I go here, you see, and try to refresh this one, it should load my website. Okay, let me do that. Perfect. You can see now it's loading my website. Okay, all right. Okay, you can see clearly it has actually loaded my website. That's what I'm getting on this side. And even if you can just come here and on my local computer, invoke web request. Yep, you see, it's loading my website, and the title is GuruTech Networking Training. Thank you so much, guys. I believe you've learned how to upload your website on an Ubuntu server and modify the default Apache web server page to read your website content. Okay? Alright, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share with friends. Bye bye.